worst fidget toys for when you're being murdered. First is this pop it. It makes a really loud noise when you pop it, so if you escape your killer, they might be able to find you again. Same with this wacky track, and also your killer can ball it up and shove it down your throat, and then you might choke. Next is this monkey noodle. If your killer finds you, they might be able to strangle you with it. Finally is this red ball. Even though it's really fun, it might remind you of the color of the blood gushing out of you.